Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to learn about how you can create space weight calculator project. Okay, so what I will do, I will run this project first. I will show you the result, then we will start. So here we have to enter our weight. For example, my weight is 60. If I will enter 60, if you will click on calculate, so we will get your weight on Mercury is 22.8, your weight on Venus is 54.6, same for Mars. Then we have a Jupiter and Saturn. Okay. So we have a different weight in a different spaces. Okay. Now we are going to learn how you will create this project. Okay. So for that, I will show you how you will search for Thunkable. You need to just write the word Thunkable, press the enter button. We will get the official website which is thunkable.com. Over here, we will just click on start today. So we are able to create a new project here once you will click on start today. So here you will get your project area where you can create a project. How you will log in a Thunkable. If you want, I will attach the video. You can just check that video. Okay. After this, we need to just press on this plus sign over here. It will ask you have to enter two things. The very first thing, we have to write our project name. Suppose I want to write my project name is a space. We have to select a category. For example, I want to select the education category, then click on create. It means we want to create a new project here. As soon as you will click on create button, you will get this screen. Okay. So over here, suppose I want to change a background color. So for that, we need to just select background color from here. Whatever is your favorite color, you can select that color. Suppose I want to add this color. Okay. So once you will select this color, automatically this color will apply here. After this, we want to add our components. So the very first component we will require is our project name. So for that, we have a label. You need to just drag this label from here, drop it here. Once you will drop, you will get a word label. But we want to change the word. We want to write our project name. You have to remove this word from here. You have to write space, weight, calculator. Okay. After this, suppose you want to change the font color. Suppose we want to add this red color, you can add. Suppose we want to change a background color, even you can change so that you will get this color. You can change a font style. Suppose we want italic. Okay, we can add the font weight also. Suppose we want bold, so you will get a bold. So whatever changes we want, whatever properties you want to change, you can change from here. Okay, so this is our first part, which is our project name. Now we want like where we can enter our weight. Okay, so that is called as text input. Like we want to take one input from the user. But as you can see, once you will drag and drop, you will get text input here and your label here. So how we will take this below? You need to just drag and drop it here. So you will get space weight calculator and you can enter your text here. Okay. After this, suppose we want to give margin between this space weight calculator and the type here. We can give the top margin. Suppose we want to give 10. So you will get one space here. Now we want like when I click on calculate button, we want our result. So how we will add the button? This is our third component for our project. So again, we will take it below. Now, how we will rename this? You have to select a button. we have to remove the word button, we can write calculate. As soon as you will write here, automatically you will get the changes here. For example, we want to change a background color, you can add this color. Even you can change a font color also. So whatever changes we want, we can add. So as you can see, we have our project name. We added where we can enter the weight, and we added when you will click on calculate button, so we will get the result. Now the next part where we will store this result, where you will get this result. So we will get that inside the label. So what we can do, again we can take this below. Now as you can see, we added this label. Okay, so we can add for spaces like Jupiter, Mars, Saturn. So how many spaces you want, you can add all that label here. Suppose we want to add one more space, so we will take that label. We can drag and drop here. So we have two results now. What we want, the next part, we have to add our blocks. So as you can see, we did this design part. Now how we will add the blocks, we need to just click here. This is our block part. So once we will click here, the very first thing we want, like when we will click on calculate button, so where we have a button, this one. So once you will click on button, we will get this. When button is clicked, we need to just drag and drop. When button is clicked, so when button is clicked, first we have to take a input, like what is your weight, and that we will show inside our result. So which is our label 2. We need to select this label 2. We have to add this. So in this label, we want to show our Saturn result. For example, we have one more label. Here we want to show our Mars result. So we have a 2 label now. Now the next part, how we will show the result. So for that we need to click on text. We will add this text here. One here, and again we will go to the text. We will add one text here. Now instead of hello, we want to write your weight on, for example, Saturn is. So you will get your weight on Saturn is. Here we will add some, like your weight on Mars is. So we have a 2 results. Now what we will do, we will remove this word from here. You have to remove in the bin, because here we want to do the multiplication. Okay. So for that, just go to the maths. We have to take two maths here, which is our multiplication, because one we will require here and one we will require here. So we will add one here and one here. Now, instead of one, we want to take an input from the user, right? So for that, we have to click on text input. We will add this. Whatever user will enter the text, we will do the multiplication. So instead of one, we will add this here, and one we will add here. For example, our Saturn value is 0.32. Okay, and Mars is almost double, so we will multiply with 2.5. So whatever weight you have in Earth, now we will find out the changes here. Now how we will run this project, we have to click on live test. Now this is our space weight calculator project. We have to enter our weight here. Suppose my weight is 60. If I will calculate, you will get my weight on Saturn is 19.2 and C on Mars is 150. So like that we can add or all the spaces here. This okay. So suppose you want to add 3 more space, so we can add 3 more label here, and inside the blocks we can show the result. So in this way we can create our space weight calculator project. So Please try this. Please share your link in our chat box. Okay, in the comment section, you can share the link. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.